Hey guys, I want to do a quick demo about how to create a slide for your project assignment, which is called Growth Mindset Slide. All the assignment information is going to be in Google Classroom. Remember, I am also learning, so you are witnessing my very first ever Screencastify recording and also learning how to use Google Classroom. So if you are not able to access what you need, or if it's unclear or confusing, please let me know. Okay, here's how we're going to start. You're going to come over here to your waffle. Now, all this being said, and you're going to go here to slides. I realize you guys probably know more than me about how to do this, but I'm also learning, so this is kind of for me too. So we're going to go here and we're going to new presentation, add, and I want a blank slide. So I can either go over here to this add arrow and choose blank, or I can just select and delete. But I don't want to deal with that. So blank slide, here we go. Okay, one criteria is that you have a background. Okay, so I'm going to click background, and I can either just choose a solid color, or I can choose an image, which I would like to do. Now, I can upload from my computer, camera, whatever, Google Drive, but I'm going to do a Google image search, okay? And what I want are mountains. Okay, so I am choosing mountains because it's kind of like inspirational, okay? Because this is about growing, growth mindset, positive self-talk. I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to click insert. Done. Okay. Another way is just to double click the image. Now, next criteria is you have to have an image. You've got a background and an image. So I'm going to go here, insert image on this little mountain icon. And I also want to search the web for that. Now, I want to put in an eagle because it symbolizes like freedom and soaring above obstacles and all that. So I'm thinking symbolically here too. Okay, now let's say I put this guy. Yeah, I like how he's flying. I drag him over. Okay, he's, yeah, for some reason, oh, there he is. Okay, giant, and also there's a background there that I don't want. Now I could make it smaller, but I don't personally like how that looks, so I'm just going to backspace delete. Here's what you need to do. Put the word transparent in front of eagle. Okay, and now let's see what we got. Now we just get just the eagle, okay? And I think I like this guy right here. So I can drag him over, I can click insert, or I can just double click. Okay, here he is, also giant. I'm going to make him a little smaller. Okay, now let's say I like him here, but I think I'm going to try to put him on the other side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it. He's already selected. I'm going to right click, rotate, flip horizontally. Now he's flying the other direction. Okay, and I'm going to, it kind of looks like he's kind of like, yeah, I like him. I think I like him right there. I'm happy with that. Maybe over. Okay. Oh, growth mindset, y'all. What just happened? I have no idea. I'm just going back using this arrow to get back where I want to be. Okay. Now, if I wanted to add another object, you do not have to, but I just want to show you how to do this because it's kind of fun. You just need one image, but what I'm going to do is, again, add image, insert image, search the web, and I would like to add a rainbow. So keeping that transparent word in there. Okay. Now I think I want to try this one. Okay. I'm going to drag it over, see how that looks. Pretty good. Pretty good. Okay. I do not like how that rainbow goes in front of the eagle. So what I'm going to do, I've got the rainbow selected, and I'm going to right click, and I'm going to order, and I'm going to say send backwards. Now it's behind the eagle. Okay. Now I could click the eagle and say order bring forward, and that would put the eagle in front of the rainbow. All right. So background, images. Another requirement is that you have some text in there. Okay. So this is just going to be a positive growth mindset statement. Okay, so I'm going to text box, click over here. Okay, make my text box. Now I'm going to start to type some text in here. Inspirational text goes here. Okay, I think I'm going to select it, and I'm going to come up here, and I'm going to make it, I don't know, I better just choose a color. I'm going to make it, I don't know what to choose. I guess I'm going to keep it black, because it seems like that's going to show up the best. Think about having contrast, right? So I'm going to bring it down, the black down here onto the white background so it shows up better. Yeah, still not quite happy with that, but you get the picture. Okay, inspirational text goes there. Now, if you go into your assignment, what you're going to see is you're going to see a growth mindset. Okay, there we go. You're going to see a document called Other Words to Use for Freakin'. These are good adjectives to describe yourself. Intensely, majorly, desperately, awfully, frightfully, abundantly, remarkably, tremendously, blisteringly. I'm going to use blisteringly. Okay, so the criteria is that you do use one word from that list. Okay, another resource that you have access to is this list called Words of Encouragement. Okay, now these are speaking to someone else, but I want you to turn them around in your mind. Okay, you're on the right track now. I'm on the right track now. I'm doing a good job. I'm doing much better today. Let's see. I think I've got it now. Okay, you get the idea. If you want to use those, you can. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the word blisteringly because that is a good word that I like. I am blisteringly fast at creating slideshows! Exclamation point. Okay, so that's it. Okay, now I really don't like that text. I'm going to come back and address that later, but I wanted to just show you. So you've got a background, you've got an image, you've got text, you used a word from the list that you have in your Google Classroom assignment. One more thing I forgot, an animation. You have to include an animation. So I'm going to select my eagle. I'm going to right click it and I'm going to say animate. I would like this guy to fly in from the left. Okay, and I want it to happen when I click the screen. And I want it to happen slowish speed. Okay, let's see, play. What does that look like? Here he comes. Oh, I have to click the screen. Yeah, fly like an eagle. All right. I am blisteringly fast at creating slideshows. Positive statements about myself, growth mindset, meets all the criteria. If you guys get all this done, all of those criteria in one slide, you're going to get full credit. Okay, all I am concerned about is you having fun, playing around, learning how to use these features, being creative, and thinking of a positive affirmation that you can tell yourself about, growing, however that looks to you. All right, that's it.